In the digital age, content creators and app developers seek reliable ways to monetize their hard work. Adsterra is a leading ad network providing a comprehensive platform for website and app monetization. With impressive CPM and CPA rates, Adsterra maximizes revenue streams. It stands out with high-quality ads and a user-friendly interface. Publishers can customize ad formats and track earnings in real time. The dedicated support team ensures a smooth experience. Adsterra offers a range of ad formats for all publishers, from banners to papundas. Find the perfect ad units. Partnering with Adsterra connects you to a global network of advertisers. Customization ensures ads blend seamlessly, enhancing user experience. Adsterra is a trusted partner for monetizing your digital assets. Adsterra offers a diverse range of ad formats to cater to the specific needs of publishers and their audiences. Understanding these formats is crucial for selecting the most effective options for your website or app. Papunda ads. These ads appear in a new browser window behind the user's current window and are displayed when the user closes the main window. Papundas are known for their high visibility and can be particularly effective for promoting offers and driving traffic. Social bar or push ads. These interactive notifications appear on the user's desktop or mobile device, even when they are not browsing. Native ads. Designed to blend seamlessly with the surrounding content, native ads provide a non-intrusive advertising experience. Interstitial ads. These full-screen ads appear at natural transition points within an app, such as between levels of a game. Banner ads. As one of the most common ad formats, banner ads are rectangular displays placed strategically on a website. Adsterra offers various banner sizes to fit different website layouts, ensuring optimal visibility and click-through rates. Choosing the suitable ad formats is just the first step towards maximizing your revenue with Adsterra. Implementing these ads strategically and optimizing their performance is crucial for achieving optimal results. Papunda ads. Implement frequency capping to avoid overwhelming users with too many papundas. Target specific user segments likely to be interested in the advertised offers. Social bar or push ads. Use compelling headlines and visuals to grab user attention. Segment your audience carefully to deliver highly relevant push notifications that drive conversions. Native ads. Ensure your native ads blend naturally with your content and don't disrupt the user experience. Use clear and concise messaging that communicates the value proposition of the advertised product or service. Interstitial ads. Time your interstitial ads carefully to avoid interrupting the user's flow. Use high-quality visuals and engaging calls to action to maximize user engagement and conversions. Banner ads. Experiment with different banner sizes and placements to find the most effective combinations for your website. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling ad copy to attract user attention. Adsterra's reach extends far beyond geographical boundaries, providing publishers with access to a global network of advertisers. This global reach opens up a world of opportunities to connect with diverse audiences and maximize your earning potential. By understanding the demographics and interests of your target audience, you can tailor your ad campaigns for maximum impact. Research high CPM and CPA regions to identify lucrative opportunities and optimize your ad targeting for these specific markets. Adsterra's detailed reporting and analytics dashboard provides valuable insights into your ad performance, allowing you to track key metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions. Utilize this data to identify top-performing ad formats, optimize your campaigns, and maximize your revenue streams. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unlock your website or app's full earning potential. Sign up with Adsterra today and start monetizing your content with its diverse range of high-performing ad formats.